If you want to set up your OTG connection on your Samsung Galaxy A36, you have to open up your phone. Now we have to enter our star hash 0808 hash. And in this mode, we are to choose MTP. So make sure that it's chosen. Press OK. Great. As our next move, let's open up our settings, scroll down to our About Phone tab. Now find your software information, find your build number and tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now confirm your PIN, press continue, give the permission to use developer mode. Great. Now let's go back to our settings and scroll down to the very bottom where we will find our developer options. In our developer options, first of all, we gotta locate our USB debugging. So let's activate it and let's press OK. As the next step, we are to locate our networking tab. There it is. And in our networking tab, we are to find our default USB configuration. Tap here and make sure to choose your transferring files. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.